Hey, folks. For McCarter, one of our favorite viewers, I forgot to go over his symbol, OCGN. So hopefully he checks in. If not, he can catch it on the replay. I had it written down, but I forgot to go over it. I know he had a call issue on it. I'll wait for him to pop on. McCarter, if you're there, please let me know, all right? All right, so his comment for OCGN was, I want to make sure I address it. OCGN. Can we check OCGN later? I know we put an earlier message. Here we go. Wish I could filter these. Can I filter these? No. All right. Car, did you pop on? No. All right, OCGN. Okay. Here we go. McCarter. Thought I saw a setup on OCGN, so I bought a call option and it fell through. I still have it for next week, but there are some decent dice to roll out there. All right. All right, so I'm just gonna. You bought calls. To buy calls, you gotta have an edge. I like to sell calls. I don't like to buy them unless I have an edge. So let's go high level. I'm not. Oh, OCGN. I have seen this before. The first thing that I'm looking at here is a gap down. And first, let me go take a look at the news here. I got to get a feel for what happened today. Sorry about that noise, folks. All right. OCGN to pursue biologic license application, blah, 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 blah. It seems as if OCGN to pursue... My take on this is that the street thinks that they're too slow and too far behind, and that COVID is almost over, and they're going up against a lot of other big players. So this would not be a cause for me to buy. I mean, they're just now submitting their license. That's not good. If you're not first, you're last. So I think that's how the street interpreted it, that news. So where to from here? Let's talk about armchair quarterbacking first. I would have bought the calls. Why so inclined to buy calls on a breakout above $10.50 per share to $11 per share in that neighborhood, because that would be a breakout. Technically, we had a lot of resistance, so I wouldn't buy, especially call options into resistance. Volume rose today. I'm not sure what the expiration date is on your options. You know, if they're longer dated, you know, hold on to them. I would not buy more. I would not buy more. Don't average down on options. Unless you have a stock with an RSI down below 15, got a lot of short interest, and you're looking for a pop. That's the only time I would do that. And I have done it successfully. Weekly chart, bearish key reversal bar. I mean, this is a great setup. What you need for these shares to do is to close the week out back above this support level here at $7.35. So that is my take on OCGN. How did it close out the day? Rough. I feel for you, brother. You're probably going to get a pop fairly soon. RSI 4-hour basis 31. It can go lower here. I don't want to be the guy that says that to you. There wasn't a ton of selling into the close. The final half hour of trade was a lot of consolidation, which is good. I just wouldn't go adding more to your position right now. You need an event to happen. And when I mean event, you need a reversal bar. You need this. The best thing that could happen to you tomorrow is that they hammer this stock at the open. I mean, ruthless selling for the first 10, 15 minutes. And then it reverses to close up higher. That's what you need. That would get me excited to add more to my position. So it's a low dollar stock. Rather than looking to buy the options, I would look to buy the shares outright. It's a low dollar stock, so I wouldn't buy the options on it. You can always sell covered calls against the common stock, so that's another option for you. Pardon the pun. With that, have a great night and be well, McCarter.